Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you the proper process step by step. Only do this if you understand the risks or plan to use another antivirus. Let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open the Windows Security application. Inside Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down and select Manage Settings. Scroll down until you find Tamper Protection. Turn this setting OFF. This step is important because Tamper Protection prevents changes from being applied to Windows Defender. Now close Windows Security. Open the Start menu again and search for Registry Editor. Run it as administrator. Inside Registry Editor, navigate to HKEY_local_machine, then Software, Policies, Microsoft, and finally Windows Defender. Right-click inside the empty white area. Select New, then Word 32-bit value. Name it Disable Anti-Spyware. Double-click it and set the value to 1. Now create the following word entries one by one. Set all of them to value 1 except Service Keep Alive, which should be set to 0. Now right-click the Windows Defender folder. Choose New, then Key. Name it Real-Time Protection. Inside the Real-Time Protection folder, create these word values. Set every one of them to 1. Next, create another key called Signature Updates. Inside it, create a word value named Force Update from MU. Set its value to 0. Now create one final key called Spynet. Inside it, create a word named Disable Block at First Seen. Set the value to 1. That's it. Now close Registry Editor and restart your computer. After rebooting, Windows Defender should remain disabled. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching.